Hello, students! In this video, we're diving into the world of percentages. Percentages are all around us and are super useful in daily life, whether it's shopping or calculating school grades. First off, what exactly is a percentage? It's simply a way to express how much something is out of 100. Think of it as parts per hundred, which makes it easier to compare different numbers. Now let's learn how to calculate percentages. To find what percentage a part is of a whole, you just divide the part by the whole and then multiply by 100. But wait, what if you want to know how to calculate the percentage of a number? You can use the same idea. Let's say you want to find 20% of 50. So, 20, 100, x 50 is 10. Okay, now let's talk about percent changes. Here's the formula. Change in value divided by original value into 100. For example, let's say your rent goes down from £800 to £720. The change is £80, so the percentage decrease is 80 divided by 800 into 100 is equals 10%. So you've got yourself a 10% decrease. You might also wonder how to convert a fraction to a percentage. Multiply the fraction by 100. And yes, percentages can go over 100, like when something increases a lot. Now here's a quick question for you. What is 25% of 200? Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for all classes is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.